Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers. Okay, you've got your nice big Harley motor, single fire. Okay, there's an argument, single fire, dual fire. Basically, single fire ignition means it will only fire whenever it needs to. Most ignitions are what they call double fire or spark when it isn't needed as well. So you get a lot of popping and banging. This also gives you a much bigger spark because obviously it's only firing when it needs to. Okay, this particular kit comes complete with a programmable ignition, so as you can see here, different dip switches for different advanced curves. You can set your rev limits. See here, 7,000, 6.5. You've got different modes, single fire, dual fire. It will do both, but to be honest, your single fire is way better. It comes complete with Single-Fire-Coil. Okay, your plug leads and your magnetic pickup thing. So basically, this goes on your end of your crank. This goes on top, and that's all you need to do. Plug it in. Couple of wires to connect here up to the coil, and that's it. Basic, very simple, very good ignition, available from customcruisers.com. 01773 835 666. For any Ultima, Crane or S&S ignitions or Thunderheart, give us a call. Thank you.